Hi everyone. In this video, I'm just going to share you my assignment that I have done in my Nomigo site and as an admin. Here I have in the first topic I have made some HYP video and a forum here. And in the second topic, I have renamed the second topic as an assessment where I have posted my quizzes and question bank and different types of assignments here so that I have mentioned this as an assessment. This is an assessment that I have done for the project management for unit 1 specifically, because I don't want to assign all the units at a time to my students. So that is the reason while I have just assigned a particular thing. This is the various things I have posted. I have instructed my students to go through the document that I have shared to them. So, and they need to submit their responses for my assignment in the PDF form only, because I have specified the PDF form. They need to submit only the PDF formed ones. Whatever the things which are in not in PDF form, the Moodle site will not take over, because I have made the settings as of that. And in this assignment, they will be learning what is project life cycle, and they need to give an example for each and every stage. So these are the two questions I have mentioned in this assignment, and the due date that I have mentioned for this assignment is 5th October 2020, and the time I have specified is 10 a.m. So here you can see that the number of students, because I haven't added at my students, so there is no students here. And the due date, as I have told you, it's on Monday 5th October, and the time remained is 6 days and 13 hours. Just I'm going to my edit settings so that you people can view the whole document, what the thing that I have given for the assignment. So here are some of my instructions. So I have enabled all my time durations for allowing the submissions and due date and the cutoff date, because I don't want to remind. I was already remembered what is my business, so I haven't enabled the last one. And the submissions types, I have asked them to submit in filed submissions. That's it. No, as I have told them to submit only in the PDF form, as the PDF is in file. So I have enabled the file submissions. I want my students to give the response only for a single time. So I have given that as one. And the maximum submission size, because whether the people were, as they are giving an examples and they are writing, as these are the PG students, they will be writing more and more stuff. So I have limited my access till 100 MB, and I will be asking the students only to specifically to submit their files in PDF. So I have uh, made an arrangement to be taken that in the PDF form itself. And those are the only things where I have specified. I don't want to go for the other restrictions, because I don't want my students. And I have also specified one thing, that is activity completion unit 1, because once the activity completion of unit 1, because they need to go through the video, interactive video also. So once the video they have watched and the document that they have viewed, then that will be clear for the students to submit the assignment. So I have given an activity restriction here once they have done with the HYP video that I have posted earlier, and along with the document, these two things if they have done, then they will be able to submit the assignment. Then these are all the things that I have posted, and then I have gone for the save and display. Once the save and display was clicked, then the students will be able to see the document as of this kind. Okay, thank you.